Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to send large videos on Gmail. So let's start the process. I will show you can't send the video directly from your Gmail whose size is more than 25 MB. Let me show you. I'm opening my Gmail app and from here I am trying to send the video whose size is more than 25 MB. After writing the ID of next email person, so now I am tapping on the attach file icon which is at the right top. So I am tapping on attach file. I am choosing this file and the size of this file is 105 MB. So I am trying to send this file. So as you see, the limit of sending videos from your Gmail is 25 MB. So let me show you how can you send the larger size of videos from your Gmail. So for this you need to open your G drive. Now I am opening my G drive. Simply upload your video in your G drive. Like if you want to upload the video in G drive, then tap on this plus sign icon which is at the right bottom. Now tap on upload. So choose the video from your gallery. But for now I have already uploaded the video in my G drive. So now I am selecting that video. So here is the video which I want to send through my Gmail. First let me show you the size of this file. The size of this file is 63.5 MB. So the file size is larger than the 25 MB. Now I will show you how can you send this directly. First tap on this. After this type on the second option, manage access. Now tap on this icon and tap on the option anyone with the link. And choose the second option, anyone with the link. Then go back. Again tap on this and tap on the option copy link. Now the link is copied. Now go back to your Gmail. Now simply put the link of that video and then tap on this send icon which is at the right top. As you see, the message has been sent. Now I am switching my second ID. So here is the ID to which I send my video. As you see, I am opening this one and when I will tap on this one. So by this way you can send the videos whose size are larger than 25 MB. Join the ScreenShot squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.